One second.
आपने
One second. It is there. It is there. It is there. It is there. One second. It is there. It is there. It is there. It is there. It is. To discuss the issue of corruption. One second. One second. Please, Mr. Pramod Tiwari. Mr. Pramod, ask them to take the seat. One second. Take your seat. Honorable members, all of you take your seat. Oh, please take your seat. Take your seat. Please take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. But, Mr. Vajpayee, you are a chief whip of the party. Take your seat. Take your seat. Please take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. I'll call you. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Mr. Kiran Rijiju, can you keep them calm? Now, sit down. Yes, they are on the okay. No, one second. Yeah.
His name is not in the list that has been
It
uploaded.
is there. It is there.
Yeah.
No, then it will be refreshed. It will be refreshed. It is there. One second. I have allowed the. One second. Honorable members, take it. Don't say this. What do you mean by this? You say I can't do it. Mr. Chidambaram, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat, all of you. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, 1 second. Please take your seat. Honorable members, when I had declined, 1 second. When I had declined Rule 267 notices, I had indicated that there is a notice by him and listed in 0 hour. I said so thrice. So look here. Can you take your seat now? Can you take your seat? Mr. Do you want me to go further? 1 second. Mr. Vajpayee, if you will again speak without my permission, you are forcing my hands. How can a member, particularly holding position of chief whip, please, Mr. Chidambaram, you wanted to say something? Please hear it. Take your seat. Before that, Mr. Chidambaram, when I got notices under 267, in this very house, I said 4 times that the honorable members' notice has been admitted and listed. Now, suppose for some reason it is not reflected, you must believe the chair. The chair had indicated so.
No, sir, it's not listed.
It is not for the first time.
There is.
1 second. Hear the honorable members.
Sir,
1 second. What is your point, sir?
my point is,
1 second. Please, honorable members.
there is a list of business.
Yes.
We did not know there is an unlisted business also. There is a list of business. If you want to include his mentioning in the list, do it on another day. How can you amend a list of business and create an unlisted business?
Take your seat. You made your point.
This will create a
You have made your
precedent.
point.
We can all
Mr.
then stand up and
Why
say,
repeat? You have made your point. People are intelligent enough to appreciate it. Now, honorable members, I absolutely fail to understand. When I had given my ruling under Rule 267, I had indicated to the entire House that this is listed. Now, 1 second. So you are not going by my word. You are going by some document. And it is in the document. It is there before me. So it will be there. You refer. It is 1 second. One second. Mr. Chandrasekhar, it is good to write letters together, but never good to write together. I appreciate you write letters together, fine, but don't write together. One, honorable members, there was an occasion earlier when Mr. Jairam Ramesh said the document has not been sent. If you will just refresh it, you'll find it.
Sir, it's not there, sir, please.
Oh, okay, it is there now, I say. I'm afraid. Honorable members, 1 second, sit down. This house is fully alive to the situation that for this kind of permission, Honorable Chairman and my predecessors, far more distinguished than I am, have been using their discretion to so grant. And I had indicated to this house, not now, but while imparting my ruling on 267, does it behove the members that I am giving platform already indicated 4 times during my ruling under 267? It was as a matter of fact rebuffed to the honorable member that why did he invoke rule 267 when the notice is admitted? No. Sri Iran Kadadi alone will go on 8 number, discuss the issue of corruption
धन्यवाद सभापति
in
महोदय।
Karnataka Maharishi Valmiki Scheduled Tribes Development Corporation. Go ahead.
यस धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय।
Please, go ahead.
आज मैं ये कर्नाटक का मुद्दा है, इसलिए मैं कन्नड़ में बात करना चाहते।
Go ahead.
ಇಂದು ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ನಿಗಮದ ಹಗರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದ ಹಗರಣವನ್ನ ಈ ಸದನದ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶದ ಜನರ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಗಡದ ವರ್ಗದ ಜನರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು
Will go on record.
ದೇಶದ 3-4 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಆಂಧ್ರ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅನೇಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 270 ಖಾತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಜಮಾ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾರು
One second. Yes, but sit down, sir. Go to the point. Mr. Pramod Tiwari, please take your seat. Mr. Pramod Tiwari.
Don't come with that, sir.
1 second, sir. Let one of you speak.
No, sir.
Take your seat.
What is going on?
Take your seat. Mr. Randeep Surjewala.
Please don't do it.
Mr. Randeep Surjewala. If you have a point of order, let Pramod Tiwari. Please, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, take your seat. I'll give 1 second. 1 second. Mr. Pramod Tiwari, please take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. I'm allowing Pramod Tiwari. Take your seat, Mr. I will give you permission again. Take your seat. Yes, Mr. Pramod Tiwari.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh have raised this.
Okay, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat first. No, first go to your seat. Jairam, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat. And from the seat, you decide who wants to speak. You decide, okay. Before you decide, let Mr. Tiruchi Shah say something. Yes, Tiruchi Shah. Please.
Both the mics are on. Honorable Speaker, sir.
I give floor to Mr. Tiruchi. Mr. 1 second.
Sir,
Now, Mr.
making
Tiruchi
use
Shah,
of your
1 second.
discretionary.
Mr. Tiruchi Shah, you are taking the floor. Look at the background. One background is a procedural issue to which I have given a quietus. Am I right? Second is you can raise. What is the issue?
Sir, before my colleague speaks, sir, I have only one submission. When you denied those 267 notices, sir, making use of your discretionary powers, a 0 hour which has not been listed, you have allowed, sir.
Yes.
We accept that you have powers, sir, sky high powers. And hereafter, when we give 267 notices, if it is not admitted, kindly give us also 0 hour time, sir.
One sec. Let me react to what Mr. Tiruchi has said. One
With
second.
your permission only.
Take your seat first. I'm reacting to him. Please. Honorable members, please. Honorable members, Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, a senior member, has raised a good point. Mr. Tiruchi Shiva invariably I have been following this practice. But I can't force a member to raise an issue in 0 hour which he or she has raised in 267. But if any member has come to me, that the issue of 267, he wants to raise under the rules, I have never declined. So the House may take note of it. Now, Mr. Randeep Surjewala, what have you to say? 1 second, please.
Honorable Chairperson, sir,
What is your point?
my point is very simple. The honorable member of the BJP is playing a political drama in order to save the
Nothing will go on
skins
record.
of the
Nothing will go on
40%
record.
commit.
Mr. Randeep Surjewala, what are you doing? 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Take your seat. They will take your seat. Mr. Randeep Surjewala, you are playing politics. Why are you playing politics? It is not a political platform. Nothing else will go on record. Is it a political platform? I gave you permission to raise point of order. Is it point of order? Is it point of order? No, tell me. Is it point of order?
Sir,
Take
only
your
when
seat.
you put up,
Please.
you shut down the mic,
Michael,
sir.
either raise a point of
I was
order.
saying,
Raise
a
a point. Nothing will go on
40%
record.
commission
Nothing will go on
government
record.
ran in Karnataka for 5 years. We ordered
Nothing
a
will go on
corruption in
record. Nothing will go on record. Mr. Nothing will go on record. The honorable member is raising an issue. The issue is with respect to corruption. Corruption is an issue we need to discuss. We cannot allow a member not to speak about corruption. No. Absolutely no. No. Nothing will go on record. No. Randeep Surjewala. Mr. Surjewala. What is it? I gave him the floor. 1 second. Please. Please. No, please. Honorable, would the members take their seat? Please. Honorable members, House will be enlightened. Once, Mr. Lair Singh, if any member rises when I am rising, I will name immediately. I need to. Ma'am, I hold myself back. You have been in this chair. All I am saying is, I am open to a point of order. Being 1 second. Mr. Tiruchi Shiva raised a point. 1 second. No one will rise, please. Mr. 1 second. I'll give it to Mr. Tiruchi Shiva raised a point of order, a valid point situation, that anyone who's 267 I decline, I must give permission to make the point in some other rule or provision. I have indicated I have always done it, provided the member is willing. Ma'am, 1 second. Provided the member is willing. If the member, 1 second. I am addressing Jaya Bachchan ji now. Jayaji, what I am saying is this, that under 267, if I decline and the member comes to me that I want to raise this issue by special mention or 0 hour, I allow. But I don't persuade the member. No one came to me. One instance.
The first time you're doing it. You have not done it earlier. No, sir.
Take it.
That's not true.
Ma'am, take your seat. Nothing will go on record. Point of order. Mr. Mukul Vasnik wants to raise point of order. Take your seat. Mr. Mukul Vasnik. He's senior enough. Senior to all of you, I think, at the moment. Mukul, you happen to be senior most at the moment. Go ahead. No,
Sir,
Mr. One second.
Sir,
One second. I'll come to you.
sir,
So one second.
sir, we have
second.
highest
one second.
respect.
1 second, sir. My humble prayer to you, please raise a point of order
Yes, sir.
in the following manner. Specify the rule and then have your point. Under which rule are you raising?
Sir,
Under which rule, sir?
I wish to say that we have
No.
highest
You'll have to raise
respect
it
for
under
the
rule.
chair. We have highest
raise it under
respect for the chair, and the house has to be conducted by rules of procedure. There is a list circulated to all the members on issues to be raised in the 0 hour. The honorable member is being allowed to raise issue which is not listed in
Okay,
this.
take your seat, take it. Mr. Mukul Vasri, take your seat. You are not aware. I had indicated 4 times. 4 times during ruling on 267 that the honorable member will be allowed. I've done it. Sushmita. Okay. One second, please.
Sir,
Take your seat.
sir, 1 second.
One second.
I will just take 30 seconds, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have filed several notices to talk about Assam floods and Bengal floods under 267. And he has already raised this issue before. He is being allowed to speak.
No. Decline.
And we are not being allowed to speak.
No. Nothing will go on record. I have declined 267. I declined 267. The business of the house was not suspended. The proceedings of the house continued. When it is question of 0 hour, I allowed the honorable member at number 3. Mr. Radico.
ಸಭಾಪತಿ ಮಹೋದಯ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ, ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಗಡ, ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಡು ಹಗಲೇ ದರೋಡೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆಯಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಇದೆ, ಮೀಸಲಾತಿಯನ್ನ ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೇಳಿ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟಾಕಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
Nothing has been on record.
187 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ಹಣವನ್ನ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ